What is stopping you from launching a YouTube channel where you can make a passive income and escape from your 9 to 5? Watch the video until the end to see how all of the processes are simple and automated. In today's video, I will be using an AI to write a script, create and edit a faceless YouTube video. To write the script, I'll be using ChatGPT. If you haven't used ChatGPT before, it's very easy to use. All you have to do is ask ChatGPT to write you a script for the YouTube idea that you have in mind. For this example, I've asked ChatGPT to write us a full 5-minute YouTube script for a video about how to train my dog. And as you can see, ChatGPT is doing its thing. It's writing out the full script for us. When you're creating a faceless YouTube channel, this is the part that's going to take the most time, so it's really nice that we have this tool available to expedite the time it takes to create your script. As you can see, ChatGPT has written a full-length YouTube script for us. The script starts off by saying, "Hey there, and welcome to our channel. If you're a dog owner, you know that having a well-trained pup can make a world of difference, but sometimes training your furry friend can seem overwhelming, especially if you're not sure where to start. In this video, we'll give you some practical tips. Establish a routine, use positive reinforcement, be consistent, and more." If you wanted to expand any of these specific sections, you could do that by copying and pasting that section into ChatGPT and asking it to expand that paragraph. As you can see, ChatGPT will go ahead and expand that paragraph for you, and as you can see, it's really easy for you to expand your content. You can use ChatGPT to expand it as much as you like, and then remove any content that you don't want to include within that video. I discovered that if you ask ChatGPT to generate a full-length YouTube script or a blog post in one shot, you don't get very much content. However, if you break it up and ask ChatGPT to generate 2 specific sections or expand on specific section of the initial content, you can get much longer pieces of content. Once you've extended your YouTube script and you're happy with the overall script, the next step is to copy that script and head over to Pictory. But before we get there, if you like this type of content, go ahead, like this video, and subscribe to The Empire. Here, we help you guys build your empire. Now, let's talk about Pictory again. Pictory is a website that can help you make high-converting videos with stock footage, music, and voiceovers automatically in just minutes. We'll use it to make a video out of our script. I think this is one of the best tools you can use to turn a script into a video, and it's very easy to use. So there are a few ways to turn your content into videos once you're on Pictory. You can do article to video, edit your videos with text, or you could do visuals to a video. But for this example, we'll use the script to video template. Click proceed and type in the name of your video to get started. Next, here is where you'll paste the full script for your YouTube video. So I've gone ahead and entered the script onto Word. So I'm going to copy this over and paste it under Pictory. This way, we can see how many characters we have used and also check for spelling mistakes. After you've pasted your script, you can move on to the next step, which is choosing your video style. Pictory lets you choose from many different kinds of videos, such as animated, live action, and whiteboard. For this example, let's say we choose the animated style picture, which lets you fully customize the look and feel of your video to fit your brand and style. You can move on to the next step, which is giving your video music and sound effects. Pictory has a library of royalty-free music and sound effects that you can use. You can also upload your own music or sound effects if you want to use them. Once you've added your music and sound effects, you can preview your video and make any last changes before you export it. The process of exporting your video is easy. Once you've exported your video, you can upload it to YouTube or any other video site you want. In conclusion, ChatGPT is a great way to write scripts for YouTube videos and other content, and Pictory makes it easy to turn your script into a video. Using ChatGPT and Pictory can save you a lot of time and work, whether you're a one-person business or part of a larger team. Give it a try if you want to make high-quality videos for your YouTube channel and see how it can help you make videos that are more interesting and professional. So be sure to subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more.